Ultra bright .029, large vertical fiber optic pin to easily narrow in on your target. Adjustable indicator pin allows for ultra-precise adjustments to compensate for uncertain environmental conditions. Nylon bushings create smooth, quiet movement with no metal-to-metal contact. Properly align shots with the precision-installed bubble level. Drive slider sight and sight light included. Top reviews from the United States. This is a very nice sight. I ordered this for my son's Mission Menace compound bow. Overall the sight looks and feels very well made and solid, and is machined very smooth. The sight was very easy to install with the 2 screws provided. The windage is easy to adjust with an Allen wrench. There is lots of adjustment available for both windage and vertical. I needed it at the beginning as the Whisker Biscuit was adjusted a bit too far right. The vertical adjustment is a dream. The brass thumb screw is easily loosened and then the pointer is slid in the direction you want the arrow to go. If it's shooting a bit low at that range, slide it up a bit. You can then mark on the glow in the dark label at the back for the setting for each range. This easy, tool-less adjustment for range is very nice. I think it could be done very quickly and accurately if needed. The green fiber optic is quite bright, and they even include an LED light also, although I don't think we will need it for target shooting. Having just the one fiber has proved to be a very good thing. It makes it quicker to acquire the target, and there's no confusion about what pin to use. I think this is better for both a younger and older archer.